Okay, so this is room 32, which is on the lower one level of the Point A Hotel at Shoreditch. So we'll start by the door like we normally do. Here's all the instructions for how everything works here by the door. And let's show you. So you've got bathroom lights and you've got the main lights, and you can see here that actually we've got colour changing lights, which is quite cool. You can set it to whatever you like. And you've got also the air conditioning here, do not disturb. The air conditioning unit, I have to say, seems to have a bit of a mind of its own. So whatever the temperature is, it seems to blow fairly cold. We've tried turning it off, but the room just gets too hot. So let's have a look in here. In the bathroom, I have to say it's a tiny bathroom. It's actually, well, it's a tiny room actually. So everything is fairly compact. There's not much room in here at all. The shower is a little bit interesting to get into because there's not much room between the basin here and the door. But you can manage. The shower pressure is okay, and you've got your shower gel and also your soap here as well. And here in the room, there's a little safe beside the room. You've got some shelving storage here. There's no wardrobes or anything. It's just a hanging space here. And then television, remote control. The Wi-Fi is okay. It's free Wi-Fi. But let me just show you this. This is the space between, we've obviously got a twin room here. This is the space between the bed and the wall. And it is impossible to get through this gap to the other bed without waking this person up. So that's been a bit of an issue. And just to show you, here's the bed, and that literally is the width of the room. So it's small. This is obviously a no window room, and we paid £98 a night for this, not including breakfast. But we are right in Shoreditch.